How lucky or unlucky can you be for this to happen to you?
Kagak nih. Nih, yang lain gak ada yang hujan. Ini di mobil ini doang nih. Tuh. Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Di sini doang nih hujan nih. Ini di sini doang. Tuh hujan doang di situ doang. Luar biasa. Luar biasa, kok bisa ya? Kok bisa ya?
¿Cuándo quiere? Yo.
These puppies are seeing grass for the first time.
Come on, guys.
They don't know what to make of it.
No. Come on, guys.
This guy stayed up all night just to see his favorite train.
Oh, quick, I've got to get round. I've got to get round to see it. This is beautiful 73962. Dick my butt. What a beautiful locomotive she is.
Imagine going out to fish and attracting this shark. This is a glider touching down in the rain.
To crack a walnut with your hand, you just take it and you keep the seam up, put your hand on it like that, and that's it. Walnut.
This cat is protecting this baby from climbing over this wall. Here's some students at a university creating a light wave. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Really hope you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Look a bit.